With all the many pests trying to come indoors, here's how you can naturally get rid of them on your plants. There are many indoor pests such as fungus gnats, spider mites, aphids, scale insects, whiteflies, and thrips. Spider mites are usually on the undersides of leaves, and look like miniature spiders. They also leave webbing on leaves. To get rid of spider mites, you should remove any foliage that is heavily infested. As for the remaining leaves, wipe both the top and undersides of the leaves with a wet paper towel. If that doesn't work, mix a drop of soap into a spray bottle filled with water, and wipe the leaves with it. Also, make sure to keep the plant near a humid area, as this discourages them. Fungus gnats look like tiny flies. They often hover above the soil surface. While spider mites prefer dryness, fungus gnats, however, prefer moist soils. In order to get rid of the gnats, make sure you don't water your plants until the soil has fully dried out. Traps can also help to control the population of both gnats, whiteflies, and fruit flies. Thrips are small and slender. They often leave a silvery marking on leaves. To eliminate thrips, prune off the infected leaves, and apply the soap solution if necessary. Keep the plant well watered, to discourage the thrips. Aphids are small, soft-bodied insects, that come in many different colors. If you have aphids, spray the plant with lots of water. Once again, apply the soap mixture if necessary. Mealybugs are small and white-colored, while scale insects are brown, and look like shells. Mealybugs and scale insects, both have to be manually removed. Scrape them off, and apply the soap mixture. Aside from gnats, neem oil is also a great treatment for all the pests previously listed. There are many bugs that attack the plant's roots. This can cause the plant to lose leaves, and have stunted growth. If your plant is suffering from root pests, it is best to repot the plant.